It's day 2. India A taking on India D. And Kotian getting 53. That partnership with Mulani was quite sensational. As the two overnight batsmen make their way to the centre, Mulani and Khalil, it's time to say good morning. My dear friend Ashok Malhotra. Edged gone. They just had the one slip and a gully in the last over. They had a man 3/4 at deep third. That deep third was brought into second slip and knocked over. 2 and 2. What a good delivery. That came back in a long way. He was all smiles after getting his first wicket this morning and will be smiling again for much longer after getting his second. And he's on a hat-trick.
आकिब बिना खाता खोले पवेलियन लौटते हुए और इंडिया ए की पारी सिमटती हुई 290 पर
89 and 53. The main reasons why India A have got to 290. Now India D will need a good partnership. Atharva Taide, Yash Dubey will be the openers. Khalil Ahmed, it's been among the scheme of things. Starts with a really good first delivery and a little bit of shape on it, and also the outside edge.
जोरदार अपील और इसी के साथ ताइदे ओवली आते हुए बॉल अंदर की तरफ आई, खेलने की कोई कोशिश नहीं की, शोल्डर डिजाम और उसका खामियाजा भुगता ताइदे।
हवा में और कोई भी गलती नहीं की वहां पर। आकिब खान मिड ऑन पर मौजूद थे। रन जाएंगे यहां से। देवदत्त पडिक्कल, बेहतरीन शॉट।
Wow, how did that miss? Prasidh Krishna should have got the third one for India D. Correction, India A.
रन आएंगे। कभी कभी आप शॉट बहुत ही बेहतरीन ना भी खेलें, लेकिन किनारों से भी रन आते हैं और वैसे आते हुए देवदत्त पडिक्कल के लिए। बहुत ऊपर डाल दिया। देवदत्त पडिक्कल को अगर यहां गेंदबाजी करेंगे, कुछ ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ दिशा दिखाने की जरूरत। यहां तो अगर आप डालते रहेंगे 6 मीटर और 8 मीटर में, तो सारा दिन पिटाई होती रहेगी आपकी।
बाहरी किनारा, लेकिन थर्ड मैन दिशा में 4 रन।
That's pulled away. Dragging it short, Mulani. Just as I say that, big appeal, confident appeal. Even from mid-on, the fielders running in. And they've taken the IDFC First Bank DRS.
Yeah, just rock and roll once again from before the bat. Yeah, I can see a clear spike as the ball passes the bat. Satisfied bat involved. Let's get back to Pranav on field. Pranav, you need to reverse your decision. You're on
He's got to reverse his decision.
तीसरे विकेट का पतन हुआ इंडिया डी के लिए यश दुबे के रूप में। लीजिए, ये है संजू सैमसन।
Miscued this one and taken at mid-on. Good catch in the end. Aki picks up wicket number 2. And it's a very poor shot from Sanju Samson. Beautifully played by Padikkal through the offside. Looks to go big and gets good contact and gets the distance as well.
4 रन मिलेंगे। बहुत बढ़िया। सिर्फ शॉट मिड विकेट को क्लियर करना था रिकी बुई ने।
Playing away of the back foot, he'll pick up a single. 86 for 4 after 27 overs. India A at lunch on day 2 at the ADC, a cricket ground in Anantapur. This partnership is worth 34.
They still have a lot of work to do. They still trail by 204. And at lunch on day 2.
Khalil will start proceedings. Picked up 2 wickets with the new ball. Edged. No gully. 4 runs. He's played it fine. He's played it along the ground. More control in the shot from Devdutt Padikkal. Big appeal. Big appeal. But going from that angle, it's a good indication that it might have missed the stumps, or was there an inside edge? Mayank Agarwal asking. And he's gone for the IDFC First Bank DRS.
Pitching outside of, impact in line, wickets hitting. Original decision was not out. Let's get back to Pranav on field. Pranav, you need to reverse
Terrific.
your decision. You can signal out.
Great review.
5वें विकेट का पतन 96 पर 5 इंडिया डी फ्लाइट में बीट करें 50 रन पूरे होंगे यहां पर बैक टू बैक 50 2 अर्धशतक देवदत्त पडिक्कल के नाम दिलीप ट्रॉफी की पहली इनिंग 0 दूसरी पारी अर्धशतक और तीसरी पारी अर्धशतक वेल प्लेड देवदत्त पडिक्कल
Nicely played. Good timing. Excellent placement. That combination very fruitful. Beautifully picked up.
और बैकफुट पर कमाल का क्रिकेट, जैसे उनको हाथ खोलने का मौका मिलता 4 रन।
That's sad. That's extremely sad. That ball has stayed not only low, but it's rolled. He can just look back towards his partner and say, should I or should I not take the review? But he knows it was on the back leg that impact happened, and there's no harm having a review taken.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Original decision was out. We'll get back to Viru on field. Viru, you can stay with your original decision of out. You're on screen now.
122 for the loss of 6 wickets.
अब अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉल खेले अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉल से शॉट खेले क्या बेहतरीन शॉट
What a shot that is! Fuller length and Padikkal is just whipping it. Drives through the offside. He is exuding class, is this young man. Successive boundaries.
हवा में और सीधा गली के हाथ
Saurabh Kumar dismissed for 141 for 7 India D.
घुमाया जोर से घुमाया और जब बल्ला घुमाए तो जोर से घुमाओ कि मौका ना मिले फील्डर को हवा में जरूर है फील्डर वहां मौजूद पहुंचेंगे कि नहीं बहुत दूर रह गए फील्डर
ओ बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी और जोरदार अपील। हालांकि अंपायर ज्यादा जोशी प्रणब जोशी ज्यादा प्रभावित नहीं हो रहे।
Yeah, just freeze it there. I can see a clear spike when the ball is next to the bat. Satisfied bat involved. Let's get back to Pranav on field. Pranav, please reverse your decision and signal out. You're on screen.
Big edge from Padikkal.
बड़ा हिट, कोई मौका नहीं, 4 रन।
Goes big. And very big. The faster you bowl, the easier it is for him to strike you. And we are in for an action-packed next half an hour or so.
और इसी के साथ ऐसा लगता है बिल्कुल रन लेना चाहते थे, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा के एंड से निकलना चाहते थे, मना किया हर्षित राणा ने और कवर से रन आउट करने में कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई।
He's run out for no score, 170 for 9. All these kind of shots that either get you runs, 4 of them this time, or you lose your wicket.
और पुल कर दिया, बेहतरीन शॉट और उतनी बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, 1 ही रन लिया जबकि और ये 4 रन होते हुए।
And finally, he's bowled stump to stump and he's knocked him over. So he set him up with the wide delivery and then bowled stump to stump and he's got him out, been bowled out for 183. Today's been a day for the bowlers on a good batting surface. Day 2, generally a good batting surface. 6 wickets in the first session, 6 in the second. Padikkal top scoring with 92, deserved 100. Khalil and Akib doing the main damage. Lead by 107 runs.
Harshit Rana, who was out there with the bat in hand, is on a hat-trick. The very first ball of the innings. Watched carefully into Sanju Samson's gloves by Pratham Singh. Lovely timing, excellent timing. It's bread and butter for Mayank Agarwal. And he'll collect his first boundary of the innings. Much better control. He's made amends from the first innings. This time a boundary to Pratham Singh. Homo to Pratham Singh.
भाग्य ने साथ दिया, रन तो जरूर मिलेंगे मयंक अग्रवाल को.
That's a wrong line and ably accepted by Mayank Agarwal. Runs again. Is it just because it's a new ball, you want to use the skiddiness that can be exploited by Saurabh Kumar by his style of bowling, and maybe ask a question to the batters?
And nicely driven through the offside. He placed these drives really well, does Mayank Agarwal. Nudged away fine. He'll pick up a boundary. Pratham Singh. Tossed up. This time driven through the offside. He finds a gap and will find the boundary.
Nicely stroked. Leaning into the drive. The weight going into the shot and it's fabulous timing from Pratham Singh.
शॉट खेल दिया है बिल्कुल सर के ऊपर से. रन्स तो जरूर आएंगे लेकिन ये शॉट अजीबो गरीब शॉट था. खेलना कहां चाहते थे, गेंद कहां गया. रन्स मिले आखिरकार प्रथम को. बाहर है, खेल दिया क्रॉस द लाइन. रन्स आएंगे यहां पर. और जैसे स्पिनर्स गेंद करते हैं ज्यादा रुक कर खेल नहीं सकते. दूसरा रन पूरा करेंगे तो अपना शतक पूरा करेंगे प्रथम सिंह. 2 रन पूरे किए और अपना शतक भी पूरा किया. बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी. प्रथम सिंह अपना अर्धशतक पूरा करते हुए.
Good use of his feet. Goes down the ground and he will get to his 50. The skipper, Mayank Agarwal, confident strike. Decided that using the feet is the best option against a left-arm spinner. Swept away. Nobody out there. Another boundary for Mayank Agarwal.
That's it!
Oh! Can you believe it? Shreyas Iyer strikes at the first ball. End of Mayank Agarwal for 56. India A lose their first wicket on 150.